Assalamualaikum KG2. This is Vishal Janju again with a new lesson, and it's lecture number 22, the unit number 2 of Oxford Progressive English. Topic is shopping, and lesson number 3 we will do today, and the topic of lesson number 3 is words a. We will see those words in which a sound will come in the middle at page number 12 and exercise number A and B. Let's start. Alright, this is lesson number 3. Exercise A is match the words in the boxes to the words below. Trace the words. Okay, you have to match the words in the boxes with the words below, and then you have to trace these words. Alright, first they have done bag, match with bag. So next is man, and we will match it with man. Man. Van. So we will match van with van. Rest of the part you will do by yourself. Exercise B is write the correct words in the spaces. The man has a dash. What is near the man? So it is a van, and we will write here van. He has a dash. What does mummy having in her hand? That is a pan. Pan. Mummy has a pan. Rest of the two spaces you will fill by yourself. Alright, now it's time for homework, and the homework is that you will complete the rest of the exercise and take a picture and send it to your English teacher. Thank you.